welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video we're going to talk about Pi Open Network. The Pi Open Network mainnet is going to take place on the 20th of February. So they have announced that the mainnet is coming alive 20th of February this year. So if you're mining Pi and you're yet to complete your KYC or do your KYC, it is important you do it before 20th of February if you want to sell on that very day. But if you want to hold your Pi, you don't need to worry if the KYC is not yet done, because after the launching of the open mainnet, the KYC and mining will still continue. So this is what you need to do. This is the mainnet checklist. So if you have done your KYC, all these the whole checklist will be green. So the first one, download the Pi browser app. Completed. Create a Pi wallet. You need to create a wallet where the mine Pi will be migrated to. So if you are here to create wallet, this particular place will not be green. So you have to do it, and when creating your wallet, ensure to keep your seed phrase secret, because it should be known to you alone. If you expose it, anybody who knows about it and who can hack your Pi will create another wallet, use your secret to import your wallet and claim your Pi. So make sure your wallet secret phrase is kept secret. Also confirm your Pi wallet. After you have created the wallet, you confirm your Pi wallet. Then the next one you have to do is to submit your KYC. Then in submitting your KYC, after submitting your KYC, you wait for KYC result and migrate to mainnet. This too will be done by the system. Once they have approved your KYC, the last two checks will be done automatically. And also, when you are doing your KYC, make sure your face capture is done in a bright environment where there is bright light. If it is dark, it will not, the system will reject it. So make sure there's light when you are doing your face capture, and also use any of your government identity card to do your KYC, because they are all needed. So the reason why the KYC is having issue for now is because there's a huge amount of traffic, and a lot of people want to do their KYC before the mainnet launch. So if yours is not coming through, don't panic. There is hope. Look at it. There's information relating to that. Look at what they wrote. KYC and migration. The network should continue the KYC and migration process after open network launch. So if you are here to do yours, as I said earlier, you don't need to panic. After the launch, the KYC will continue, and the mining also will continue. So just watch the video and follow the step in this video to do your KYC. If you are facing any challenge, just drop it on the comment section. I will assist you. And one more thing, the price they are going to list is what everybody is talking about. If you are watching the video and you have any assumption or you feel the price will be this, just drop it on the comment section. Let's see what you have, and we'll go through it. If this is your first time or coming across my channel, subscribe to this channels, and also click the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I make a new video. Also like and share this video so that others can watch and do the needful. Thank you for watching.